Ever wondered why some products dominate Amazon's search results while others languish in obscurity? It all boils down to understanding Amazon's A9 algorithm. I'm here to demystify the A9 algorithm, giving you the knowledge you need to boost your Amazon FBA product visibility and skyrocket your sales. Buckle up because we're diving deep. At its core, A9 is Amazon's search engine algorithm, a sophisticated system designed to connect shoppers with the products they're most likely to buy. Forget simply matching keywords. A9 prioritizes conversions and customer satisfaction. Step 1. Keyword optimization. Target relevant keywords throughout your product listing: title, bullet points, description, and back-end search terms. Use keyword research tools to find high-volume, low-competition keywords your target audience is actually using. Speaking of listings, optimize them. Meticulously write compelling, benefit-driven copy. Use high-quality images that showcase your product from multiple angles. A higher click-through rate signals to A9 that your product is relevant. Reviews are huge. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Products with positive reviews are seen as more trustworthy and rank higher. Sales velocity matters. The more your product sells, the higher it ranks. Consider running targeted advertising campaigns to boost initial sales and build momentum. Don't rely solely on Amazon. Drive external traffic from social media, email marketing, and your own website. This signals to A9 that your product has broader appeal. So, remember, keyword optimization, listing perfection, stellar reviews, consistent sales, and external traffic are your keys to conquering the A9 algorithm. Implement these strategies and watch your Amazon FBA product visibility soar.